Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create text replacements on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to create a text that will be replaced with something else, we can go to the settings, then scroll all the way down and go to general management. Over here, go to Samsung keyboard settings. And finally, go to text shortcuts. Over here, you'll find a list of all the shortcuts that you have created so far. But first, let's create one. Press this plus button in the top right corner. Over here, we'll find the shortcut, so something that we will type. And let's say we're gonna write sub. And then in the expand phrase, you want to write something that will be replaced and will be used as this shortcut. So if I type subscribe here, then every time I type sub, then it will be changed to subscribe automatically. Now let's test it out. I'm gonna open messages, let's try it out. And if I type sub, then it is changed immediately to subscribe. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.